Hey guys, today on the YouTube we are putting a new cage on Butters X3 and I'm doing some wiring on a mini jet boat. This is a Jetstream. They just put on front lights all embedded and a Badlands winch underneath the front and then these upper lights, so I'm doing all the wiring on it. And then my rugged mount that I had on there before started to get a little bit loose, so I got to build another brace for that and make it right for him. So it was a version 1. Been crazy busy lately. My Razor still in the back there. The CageWRX for a customer. This Ranger for a customer. Butters trailer over here. We got another Razor. Then we got Anders' work truck. We got to wire up some flashy warning lights on, and then we just finished up 2 more X3s and another Razor the other day. So Butters was able to come help me the rest of this week, and so now we're doing employee projects, so we're putting the new cage on his car. Pulling the front end off of an X3 ever. The easiest way, you pull this bolt right here, so this stays. This bolt right here, that guy. There's a bolt here, a bolt here. There's these ones, and then on this headlight adjuster, right here, you can kind of see it. Behind here, there's this little teeny, there's an 8mm head bolt right here that goes into the radiator core support. And then just unplug the fang light and the headlight, and then the headlights all come with it. It's hooked underneath the front right here. And then it's hooked on our shocks, it looks like. This one, the RC's got the front bumper that kind of holds it up, I think, but there we go. You're still hooked onto here. Yeah. There. And then the whole front end comes off. Makes everything way easier to work on, so it's really not that hard to get underneath of it. Doesn't take too long. All right, we got the topper taken off. And we're breaking into the new cage. We are a dealer for CageWRX, so if anybody wants a custom good deal, hit me up, email me off my website. Go check it out. Okay, we got the main cage in. Still got to put in the rear intrusion bars, braces back here, and then so we got that. We're gonna starting to put a couple little tacks on it, checking everything with the angle finder, making sure it's all good. We got it all strapped together so it tightens everything, makes it all nice and tight. So we'll get some tacks on it, check everything, and then start welding.